I started at Virtual Peaker as employee number 3, so I was the only full-time engineer when I started. I'm Joey Mudd. I'm the VP of Engineering at Virtual Peaker. We're a software startup in the energy industry. As the company started to grow, we knew we needed a way to hire people, and we were looking to hire locally. And I'd been a mentor with CodeU, and knew the quality of the students, knew the quality of the training. So that was really our first source to look for people to hire.
My name is Sarah Hayes, and I work at Virtual Peaker. I am a software engineering team lead overseeing our interns program. We generally have 3 to 4 interns at a time working on projects throughout Virtual Peaker's code base.
Our internship is 16 weeks long. The interns work full-time hours. It's a paid internship with an hourly rate, and remote work. We're a remote-first company, so our interns are eligible to work remotely as well.
When Virtual Peaker onboards interns, the first step is having them set up their own development environment. Once they do that, we assign them their first GitHub issue to work on.
We try and choose issues for the interns to work on that increase in complexity as they become more experienced.
Generally, we start interns on a small project, maybe a bug fix, maybe adding a link to a certain web page, that type of thing. So they're very simple projects just to get their feet wet and sort of understand the process that we have at Virtual Peaker more than anything.
We use a Kanban style workflow with the interns for a few reasons. We're curating the issues they work on according to where they are on the learning curve, and also trying to expose them to different parts of our application. And doing that within a sprint structure was too rigid, whereas a Kanban board we can prioritize and curate more easily. We really push to have them getting code shipped to production within 2 weeks, I would say.
Through their projects, they have the opportunity to engage with other members of Virtual Peaker's engineering and product team. Generally, product managers are the one who create the projects, and interns are always welcome to dialogue with the product managers about their specific issues. The interns from CodeU really stand out largely because of the personal projects that they have to work on at CodeU and the rigorous curriculum that CodeU offers.
Our relationship with CodeU helped us solve the challenge of being able to find engineers that could come into the company and grow with the company.
I have no hesitation about hiring a CodeU graduate. We have hired graduates from other coding boot camps or other programs, and I think CodeU graduates hold their own very well.
We've grown from when I started 3 employees, we're over 50 now. The company has grown a lot. Our engineering team is the biggest department within the company, and the majority of our full-time employees came through CodeU, and probably the majority at this point came through our internship entry point from CodeU. So it's just had a huge impact on Virtual Peaker's growth. It's been wildly successful. It's pretty hard to envision where we would be today if we hadn't been open to trying an internship structure with students from a program like CodeU.